Hi, T. What are you doing? Be careful, be careful, be careful. Please be careful. Be careful, be careful. You're gonna fall off. Everybody's gonna laugh at you if you fell off from here and then bump your head. Yeah. Are you good? Did you help Mommy cleaning? Do dishes? Did you help Mommy? Yeah? Say, oh, you rocks today, huh? Yeah. You can't get down. You cannot get down. Yeah, get down. Down. Get down. Woo. Woo. Good job. More what? More please? Please what? You want some bread? Okay, I'll give you a little, okay? Oh, you think standing here is better than standing on the top of this? Don't you think standing on this is better so you can see what you want? You're not that smart yet, huh? Oh, be careful, be careful. Okay, say bye-bye. Did you want to say bye-bye? Whoa, Mr. Macho. Ooh. Wow, you can carry the big stuff. Wow. Oh. Where you going? Where you going now? Oh. Yeah? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Give it to Mommy. Okay. You want to say bye-bye? Tita, you wanna do kiss? Toma. Kiss, Toma. No? Okay. Bye-bye.